I was browsing through comments on another video, and one really caught my attention. And I wanted to do a video to respond to that comment because I think it can be enlightening to a lot of people. And the question that was posed to me by this individual was, what happens if you don't evolve after a breakup? Such a simple, straightforward question. Many of you know that we talk about personal growth, personal transformation, and the need to evolve before trying to reconnect with an ex in order to be in a new and improved relationship. So what happens if you don't evolve? Well, let's think about that together for a moment. Usually a breakup happens because there were specific challenges that the couple faced or that individual faced in their lives. And perhaps they were overwhelmed, or perhaps they lost trust in their partner's ability to make them happy over the long term. And so if you don't evolve, the odds are that the way that your ex thinks about you and thinks about the relationship itself will not evolve as well. And it's absolutely necessary for you to not think about just what you want and what your goals are, but to at all times remember that you're dealing with another human being who has their own set of dreams, goals, aspirations, fears, insecurities, wants, needs, etc. And so we cannot just make it about us and what we want, to quickly get back together as fast as possible because we love this person and we need them and we miss them. That is a selfish and emotional or immature approach to love and to breakup. So it's important to understand what your ex's reality is, what their needs are, how they perceive the relationship, and why did it not meet their needs at this time in their lives. And by really taking the time to understand or to find answers to these questions, you can start to move towards a better version of yourself. And also start to develop the habits and the qualities that this person needs in order to feel loved, supported, and secure in a potential future relationship with you. If we don't do the work, if we don't take time to reflect, to learn, and to grow, it is oftentimes not realistic to expect to reach the goal of being in a new and improved relationship with this person. Now, it is possible that if you don't evolve after a breakup, that you may still get back together. Perhaps this other person is going to be lonely. Perhaps they're going to realize how much they care. Perhaps they're going to realize that they made a mistake and that they want to be with you. But what will happen after that? Once you guys are back together, perhaps after a week, a month, or perhaps even after a year. The same doubts, challenges that you faced in the relationship will start to resurface again. I am of the belief that we oftentimes have to face the same tests over and over and over again until we are able to overcome it, until we are able to learn that lesson that life is trying to teach us, until we are able to grow. So take a step back, really with humility and detachment, look at the breakup, and from there, seek with all your might to try to make the most of it, to learn and to grow so that you can genuinely offer something new to your significant other. Not just tell them that you love them so much and that you want to be with them. That won't do it. It won't cut it. It's not good enough. And the beautiful aspect of this process is that once you actually evolve and you strive with all your heart to move closer to this person that you know that you can be, and that this person that you know could fulfill your ex, then regardless of the outcome, you are a success story. Regardless of the outcome, you will be able to really find peace because you will know that you have done everything that you could to repair this relationship the right way. And if your ex doesn't see it, it will be their loss. And if your ex doesn't evolve as well in order to meet you halfway, you will know that you played your part, and it will be so much easier for you to move forward from there. Of course, the goal is not to move on. The goal is to repair a relationship with this person that you love, and this is the blueprint to maximize your chances of success. I am not a magician. I cannot guarantee you success, but what I can do is share my experience from the field, having worked with individuals who are in similar situations than you are in currently all over the world, and share those lessons and experiences with you to help you reach your goals. And that is why we have created an entire ecosystem of resources to support you on this journey. One of them being these videos on YouTube. Another being private coaching sessions that you can find on our website. And the other being long-form trainings on specific subjects that can help you get to the next stage of your breakup recovery. And so if you are serious about approaching this process the right way and maximizing your chances of success, I encourage you to click on the link in the description of this video so that you can continue to learn, to grow, and to take the right steps. As always, it is my joy to be able to do this with you and for you, and I'm thankful for your support. Please like this video if it is beneficial, if you're getting something out of it. Please share encouraging words in the comment section if you feel inspired to do so, because it fuels my fire. It is a two-way street. I get my energy, my enthusiasm, and my joy from hearing from you, from seeing your progress, from learning from your experiences, and then I give it back to you in order to help you and others all over the world to really refine your breakup recovery and to understand what the next best step could be for you. As always, thank you for your trust, and keep fighting the good fight.